We'll take the rectangular piece and we'll use 4 of the pegs. Put them in the corners. And then we'll take the other long piece and 2 more of the pegs. Put that across there. We'll take one of the axle pieces. The axle is the center of the gear. Place that over here in the second hole. We'll take one of our small gears and another axle piece. Put that in right there. And we'll take the handle and put it in on that big gear. So now we have a way that we can spin things. The next part we'll be assembling, we'll be taking 2 of these wheels and 2 of these pieces. And we'll also take one of the axles. We'll put the axle has a nub on it, so that side of the axle is short, the other side of the axle is long. We can slide that through here, then slide one of the wheels on here. Make sure that this part of the wheel is on this end of the axle. Then we'll take our string, tie a little loop knot in it, slide it onto the axle, come out through that little slot there. We'll slide the other wheel on here, then slide another of the rods on there, and finally we'll put the medium-sized gear with the rounded side facing outward onto the end of the axle. You'll need to line it up just right so that it will fit on there. There we go. So we have a little assembly here. Finally, we take this and it will meet up with this. Plugging that on there. And they also show us to put another couple of pegs in here to strengthen this so that it stays a little more sturdy. Now, in the example they show a bucket. In this case we're going to rescue the ladybug from down there. By turning this, we're able to transfer this motion here through this gear into that gear and wind that string up until our friend the ladybug is back up here on the table again. We could use that for purposes, and we can spinning for all kinds of things as well. Many vehicles have what's called a power takeout on the front of them, and you can use that spinning for a pump, for a winch, or all kinds of purposes. If you live on a farm, you'll see that used all the time.